Have you ever wondered how safe your neighborhood really is? Well, you're not alone. Neighborhood safety is a concern shared by many. But did you know that the power to enhance safety and prevent crime lies right in your community? That's right. The key to a safer neighborhood is collaboration, communication, and vigilance. And one of the most effective ways to achieve this is through neighborhood watch programs. Imagine having an extended family where everyone looks out for each other, keeps an eye on the surroundings, and works together to deter crime. Sounds powerful, doesn't it? Well, it is. These programs have been known to significantly reduce crime rates and foster a sense of security and unity among neighbors. So, are you ready to unlock the power of neighborhood collaboration? Join us as we delve into the power of neighborhood collaboration. Imagine a community where everyone looks out for each other. This is the essence of a neighborhood watch program. It's not just about keeping an eye out for suspicious activity. It's about residents actively working together, fostering a sense of community, and taking a stand against crime. These collective efforts can make a significant impact. In fact, such programs have been known to reduce crime rates by up to 16%. That's no small feat. Across the United States, there are over 25,000 registered neighborhood watch programs, and for a good reason. 78% of Americans believe they're effective in stopping crime. But it's not just about crime prevention. These programs also increase awareness, encourage swift response to potential threats, and offer a greater sense of security. Neighborhood Watch programs are more than just about safety. They're about community. Have you heard of collective efficacy? Is the power of social cohesion, the willingness of neighbors to intervene for the common good, to exercise informal social control. It's not about policing each other, but rather it's about caring for each other and taking action. Collective efficacy is as simple as asking about a neighbor's well-being, lending a hand, or just being there in times of need. It's about attending community meetings, voicing your concerns, and working together to find solutions. You see, every small act matters. Every question asked, every helping hand extended, every community meeting attended strengthens the fabric of our neighborhood. And here's the best part. Collective efficacy has a tremendous impact on crime prevention. It's the neighborhood's secret weapon against crime and disorder. Because when we care for each other, when we stand together, we're stronger. And when we're stronger, we create a safer neighborhood. Ever wondered how to make your neighborhood safer and stronger? The answer lies in community engagement. This means actively participating in local events, whether it's a neighborhood barbecue, a local fair, or a charity run. These gatherings offer a chance to meet your neighbors and build connections. Then there's the power of community centers. These hubs are not just buildings, but places that foster interaction and provide resources. They're where friendships are made, ideas are exchanged, and collaborative efforts are born. And let's not forget about data-informed engagement. By understanding the specific concerns and issues of our neighborhood, we can tailor safety strategies that meet our needs. And this could involve analyzing local crime data or surveying residents about their safety concerns. Community engagement is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. By staying involved and informed, we can all contribute to a safer, stronger, neighborhood. Let's look at some practical steps you can take to enhance your neighborhood's safety. As the seasons change, so do our safety concerns. In winter, we need to prevent frozen pipes and secure windows against the extreme cold. Come summer, it's time to secure outdoor equipment and protect our homes against storms. But there's more to safety than just seasonal precautions. There are local security providers that can help keep our neighborhoods safe. Buffalo Alarm offers sales, installation, and service of security, fire alarms, and surveillance systems. Advanced Alarm Inc. provides security systems, automation, and home theaters. Powered Protection Inc., a locally owned company, offers services starting at $14 per month. Omni Security Inc. is available in Buffalo and Rochester, starting at $29.99 per month. Doyle Security Systems offer professional or DIY installation, starting at $25 per month. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility.